Here we go, the Glacio 45 litre. I just had a quick look at the trusty manual. It's not too bad, the manual. It's actually, you can actually read it. So what I've done is, it's telling me that currently the temperature inside the fridge is 26 degrees. It's connected to mains. It comes with the adapter and therefore going to the wall plug. But straight up, given that I've only got a small battery in the vehicle, I have, see if I can get this to focus. Yeah, I've got it set to echo, the economical function, and low battery cutoff. So give my little battery some chance of survival. It comes with a very good thermal bag. It's got the two pockets on the sides, which I guess all this paraphernalia goes into. It's got lots of Velcro and really good zipper. It's fairly well made actually for the price. I can't fault it. Nice LED light inside. It's already quite cool. I'm going to get the little analog thermometer that I've got in my esky and chuck it in there, so it can actually give me a reading. But there she blows. It was the time to buy the fridge. As I said, I got some vouchers and some tokens and some 10% off from eBay themselves. So that was actually the time to do it. Pretty good seal, nice thick all the way through, closes quite well, and the thermal bag closes really well as well. So there you go, best 145 or whatever it is that I've ever spent. And it should pair up well with my little esky, which is over there, looking a bit jealous. But yeah, between the two, even with myself and the kids, we should have no problems at all now. Bring on the camp.